We started with the implementation of ManWinWin in one of our factories in Portugal, and we did a full integration with the SAP system. So far, we are rolling out now to the remaining 4 factories the same type of implementation, because the results in the Portuguese factory were quite positive. The integration with SAP allowed us to capture important information about the equipment in our ERPs, and at the same time give us a lot of flexibility on the shop floor with ManWinWin. We started the installation with the use of handhelds, so tablets, but also computers on the shop floor, and that gave a lot of flexibility to our technical teams to go closer to the problems and capture the required information for the preventive maintenance, without losing the needed detail in terms of costing. So our experience is that the fact that it's a web-based software makes it relatively easy to implement. Our industry fish processing, so it has some areas which have water and which have not a clean environment, I would say. And this flexibility is very good because it allows us with a simple tablet or even with a phone to have the ability to record what's happening in the equipment. So that's one of the things that we do appreciate about ManWinWin. I think the integration with SAP was done in a relatively straightforward way, because we found a simple way of creating an interface between the database of ManWinWin and SAP. I must say that the team from ManWinWin was quite open to integrate and to accommodate our requests, and that flexibility really was what made it possible to integrate with SAP in such a straightforward way.